If you're having trouble with the multiplayer feature in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to enjoying the game with your friends. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, processor, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Check for updates through your game launcher, whether it's Steam or another platform, and install any available patches. Step 3. Verify game files. If the game is still not working, verify the integrity of the game files. On Steam, right-click on the game in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any corrupted or missing files. Step 4. Check network connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection for better stability. Additionally, check if any firewalls or antivirus software are blocking the game's connection. Step 5. Restart and reconnect. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Restart your game on your computer, then try to reconnect to the multiplayer session. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the multiplayer issues in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.